Okay, yes. Today topic, first Java installation, next environment variable setup, next developing Java program with Notepad, next Eclipse installation, steps to develop Java application in Eclipse. This is today's topic here. Today's topic. Okay. So first Java installation. Java installation. Yes, in my system. Yes, let us check Java. CMD command prompt. Opening here Java C. Yes, Java C. Yes, it's working. Java working. Java C command, it's working. Yes. Now let us remove Java. Yes, from my system, let me remove Java here. Clean up. Let us clean up. Yes, apps and features. Apps and features. Apps and features. Yes, here Java uninstall. Yes. Yes, I'm installing. Just installing. Okay. 1 second. Here Eclipse already running. That's the reason. Let me close Eclipse. Yes, because the Java is linked by Eclipse. That is the reason unable to uninstall. Uninstalling. Yes, next second one, uninstall. Uninstalling. Yes, still running. The first one still running. Yes, still running. Wait. Okay. Let us uninstall. Yeah, okay, fine. I'll uninstalling. Yes, uninstalled. Uninstalled. Okay. Yes, next we should remove the variables also. Properties, this PC, properties, advanced system settings, invert variables, Java form, delete. See path, don't delete path, edit. Don't delete paths. If you're deleting paths, system may not be working. System also will not work. OS also will not work. Don't delete path. Yes, edit path, edit. Yes, here Java form. This is I am deleting. That existing setup I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning that all the existing setup. That existing Java setup cleaned. Now go to command prompt. Now check for Java C. Yes, it's not working. Java C is not recognized internal or external commands. Java C is not recognized. Java C is not recognized internal or external commands. Internal or external commands. That's it. So in my system, don't have Java. Okay. Yes. Now how to install Java? Let us start. Java installation. Java installation. Java installation. So first of all, download JDK 1.8 from your Google Drive. Yes, I'll share to your Google Drive. Yes, I shared download JDK 1.8 from your Google Drive. See, Google Drive. Let me show that. See here your drive. Let me show the drive here. Right. So this is drive Mnra core Java. Mnra core Java. Here all this. So this is drive. Okay. Now this drive I'm sharing to some share. I'm sharing to Mnra 2. I'm sharing to this Gmail ID. So this is all the documents material. Documents and material and all the things shared here. Softwares and everything all shared. This is one drive. Another drive for recordings. Another drive for recordings. Yeah, recordings drive. Recordings. Another drive for recordings. So this is recordings drive. Recordings drive. So recordings drive. 1 second, what's happening? Yes, recordings drive. So this is right click share. Yes. Yes. Shared. Yes, shared. Yes, these two things. Recordings drive shared. Okay. One. Session 5. Yesterday session 5. Yeah. So that recordings. Okay. Recordings drive shared. Next software also shared. Both were shared. So what next? Now log into your Gmail. First of all, now log into your Gmail. Yes, the Gmail, that to MN Rao 2. Yeah, this is login. Now here how to download. First of all, log into Google Drive. So log into your Gmail account. First login like this. Log into your Gmail. Yes, go to Drive. Go to Drive. In Drive here they shared with me. Yes, in Drive go to Google Apps. Here there is a Google Apps. Google Apps. Here Google Apps. Drive. Drive. Open Drive. Yes, Google Apps. Here is a Drive. Here is a Drive. So at the Drive here. Yes, Drive. Shared with me. Here there is a shared with me option. In Drive shared with me option. In Drive this is shared with me option. Shared with me. Here you can see Mnra core Java folder. That core Java folder. Open that. You can see all the materials. Shared with me. See, after login to our Gmail, go to Google Drive. After login to our Gmail, Google Apps. In Google Apps, there is a Drive. Drive. Yes, go to Drive. From the shared with me. Here, there is a shared with me. Shared with me. Yes, it's shared with me here. See here. Mnra Kurcha folder. Open this folder. Open this folder. You can see all these documents and softwares. See, right click, download. Right click, downloads. Okay, Java 8. Now currently we need Java 8. Right click, downloads. Get download anyway. Yes, next Eclipse. Right click, downloads. See, download anyway. Okay. Yes, next right click. Yes, document, class document, download. So these three things, JDK 8, now presently JDK 8, Eclipse and document enough. These three enough. JDK 8, Eclipse and class document. JDK 8, Eclipse and class document. These three enough. Now presently these three enough. Okay. Now go to downloads folder. Here this is showing the folder. Showing the folder. If that shows, yes, here downloads folder. Downloads folders, directly downloads folder, open it. Yes, see this JDK downloaded. Okay, just your document also downloaded. All these downloaded. Okay. Yes, now download JDK 1.8 from Google Drive. So this is a way of downloading. Yes, go to Google Drive. From the Google Drive, you can access Google Drive. Here this is a Google Drive. Open Google Drive. Open Google Drive. After shade with me. Shade with me. Yes, it shared with me. Here they say Mnra Java folder. So here you can see the softwares. It's a softwares. Okay. Similarly, recordings. Shared with me. Yes, go to shared with me. Yes, Mnra Java 10 AM. This is right. Mnra Java 10 AM September. This is. Yes, open that. Here you can see recordings. Right click. Yes, right click. Open with. Yes. Open with, that will play here. Okay, or else even you can download as no issue. I have given download option also. You can download. I have given download option for our batch. Okay, no problem. Right? Yes. Okay, fine. So this is yes. So shade with me. Log into your Gmail, then shade with me. Log into your Gmail, then shade with me. You can see these two folders, Mnra Core Java folder. Yes, Mnra Core Java 1030 M. These two, this folder or this folder, these two folders. These two folders you can see in a drive here. From that you can download the softwares. Download the softwares. So right click, downloads. Okay, next here right click, downloads. That's it over. Now go to your downloads folder. Yes, here downloads folder. Okay, so download JDK 1.8 from your Google Drive. After that, yes, copy. Yes, copy JDK 1.8 into JDK 1.8. Copy JDK 1.8 into C drive. C drive. C drive. C drive. C drive. Okay. Once again. What's a version, Mr. Kalyan Chakravarti? What's a version you have installed? Suppose JDK 1.8 install, no issue. Some different version means maybe Eclipse with issue. That version maybe not compatible. Compatible versions. What's a version installed in your system? Suppose
so
if
how
not
to check for version? How to check for version?
checking for version. Okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay. Yes, it's today's topic only. Yes, how to check the version after installing? I'll show that. Checking version. Yes, okay. One second. CM, now you can check it like this. 1 second. Java hyphen version. Check it.
Yes, sir.
Check Java hyphen version. Yeah, Java, fine. Okay. Yes, Bemasani Chandrasekhar, it's okay, fine. You can continue. Chandrasekhar, okay, fine. You can continue. Yeah, check like this. Yes, Mr. Kalyan, you can check like Java hyphen version. Check like this. Check it.
So open JDK 11.0.15.
No, just uninstall it. Uninstall. Go to apps. Uninstall.
Okay.
Go to apps. From that uninstall it.
Control panel, right?
Yes,
Go to control panel, right?
uh, yes. Search is there. In search, go to apps. And yes, apps, applications,
Yes,
apps and features, apps and
yes, sir.
features, apps and
Absent, add to remove programs. Okay.
yeah, okay, fine, no problem. It's fine. It's Chandrasekhar. It's okay, fine. Yes. No. Copy JDK 1.8 into C drive. Copy JDK into 1.8 in C drive. Copy into C drive. Yes, C drive is already copied in my system. Copy into C drive. Copy into C drive. Just to copy into C drive. Yes, here it's already available. Copy into C drive. Okay. Yes, after copying the C drive, now double click on it. Double click. Just double click. Double click. After double click. Yes, next say yes. There's the yes option. After yes, next. And next. Finally close. Next close. Next close option. Next close. Next close. Double click. Yes, next close. Not double click. Double click on JDK. Say yes. Say yes. Yes, now series. Welcome to installation wizard for Java SE development. Welcome to installation wizard. So welcome to installation wizard for Java SE 8. Okay. See, here this is next option. After double click, you can see next option. Click on next. After click on next, install to C drive program for Java JDK 1.0. Install to this location. See this location. C drive program files. C drive program files. C drive program files, C drive program for Java folder. Here Java folder don't have. Java folder don't have. Program files here Java folder don't have. Now it will create a folder. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Yes, now creating Java folder. Yes, Java folder created. 79.11.2. Just now Java folder created. The JDK generated. JDK 1.8 generated. Okay. Yes, next now JRE. Next click on again next. Next series JDK JRE. Okay. So just double click. Just simply just double click. Half double click. Next. Next. Now close. That's it. Our installation is done. Same thing it's there in document also. Let us go to documents. Installation steps. Yes, installation. See the installation steps. Installation. Yes, installing Java. Place JDK 1.8 in C drive. Double click. Next, yes. Next, close. Okay. Yes, same thing. It's the document here. Yes, place JDK 1.8 in C drive. Double click. Next. Yes, next, close. So complete Java installation is over. So next step is here. Environment variable setup. Environment. Yeah, tell me.
So I have uninstalled Java from my machine.
Uninstalled in your system.
Yes, sir. Now what I have to do? Now I have to go to environment variables and remove that setting there. Right?
Yeah, remove that variables. Okay. Now environment variables. Yes, now see this. Kalyan, just wait. Now same step I am explaining now here. Environment variable setup. Environment variable. Yeah, how to set up the environment variables. Okay. In document, everything clearly it's there. In document, I have prepared everything clear. Just to follow document here. So installing
Yes, sir.
Java. Place JDK 1.8 in seated, double click, yes, next, close, over. After setting in variables for Java, right click on this icon, select properties, select properties.
Yes, sir.
After selecting properties, here they say advanced system settings, advanced
Yes,
system settings, advanced system settings. Okay. Yes, after this, they say invert variables. Advanced systems, invert variables.
yes,
Invert
sir.
variables. See, I'm repeating once again. See, right
Okay.
click, you see, next properties,
Yes,
properties. Now it's a advanced system settings,
yes,
advanced
sir.
system. Next here they say environment variables,
Yes, sir.
select environment variables after opening. One second, same thing prepared in document here. You guys follow document here. Need not install now immediately. Yes, now in class itself, installation is not necessary. Later you can install. Just to follow document. In document, it's available. In
Yes, sir.
document, basically every step is available. Just if you can follow document and video also. Today's class video and document. Today's class video and document. Just to follow both of these things. Today class video and document.
Yes, sir.
Following both, you can do it. Yes, now here advanced system settings. Advanced.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same is there in document here. Same thing as is there in document here. Right
Okay.
click on the properties, properties, advanced system settings. From
Okay.
this here, yes, advanced system settings, advanced, once again, advanced system settings, environment variables.
Yes,
Next
sir.
here, user variable for mnraw and system variable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what user variable for mnraw means this is only for current login user. Okay. Yes, user variable for mnraw means this is only for current login user. See Windows. One second. Windows 10 multi login screen. See that? Multiple users. See this. Multiple users, multiple logins, guest login, Tom login, Jack login, admin login. Yes, multiple users login, right? Like this MN drive is one login. Like this MN drive is one login. MN drive is one login. Okay. User variable for MN drive. Yes, if Java variable is defined here, that Java can be used by only MN drive user. For MN means that Java can be used by only current login MN, others cannot. Suppose if it is system variables means OS level. System variables OS level. Suppose if we define variables here, if we define variable Java variables here, if we define Java variables here, then Java can be used by all users. System variables. If system means OS level means all users can use that Java here, all users. Guest user, Tom user, Jack user, admin user, mnraw user, all that users can use Java. So the Java software is common for all users. So go with system variable. Better you choose system variable. Okay. Yes, user variable for mnraw means only current login user can use. Others cannot. But actually everyone has to use same Java. Everyone has to use same Java. So for this, go for system variables. Yes, this is recommended in real time. Real time system variables are recommended. Okay, now yes, now what are variables you have to set up here? What are variables? So first variable is Java home. First variable Java underscore home, Java underscore home, Java underscore home. Next variable path. Next variable path. So first about Java home, Java home, Java home, Java home is equal to Java home. So new. Yes, system variables here is a new. Click on new. Variable name is Java underscore home, Java underscore home, Java underscore home. Next value. So first Java underscore home. Next value. What's a value? Java location. Yes, value Java location. Where is that location? In C drive. In C drive installed. C drive. Program files. See here. C drive. At C drive installed. C drive. Program files, Java folder, JDK folder here installed. Here installed. Now take it, copy it. Copy this. Copy and paste here. Copy and paste. Okay. So variable name Java home. This is the value. Okay. Right? So this is Java home value. So this is Java home value. So this is Java home value. Right? Yes. Click on OK. So Java home completed. Java home completed. Yes. Next step. Java home completed. Yes. Next path. Path. Yes. When come to path, edit. Select edit option. Don't delete. If deleting path, it won't work here. System won't work. Yes, edit. Edit. Select edit. Yes, again a Java home again. Once again. See here. First right click on this PC. Properties. 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 Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Next here they say environment variables. Environment variables. Advanced system settings. Environment variables. Next go to system variable. See user variable for environment is only current user, current login user can use Java. But Java should be all login users, means go for system variables. System variables. System variables. In this new. Yes, new here it says Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Next value. What's a value here? Value means Java location. Java location. Where the Java installs? In C drive, program files, Java folder, next JDK folder. Open here Java install. So place the mouse pointer at the end. Place the mouse pointer at the end. Click here. Click here right now. Take this path. Copy this path. Copy this path and paste here. That's it. So click on OK. That is Java home. Java home completed. So Java home is equal to this value. So this is Java home value. Okay. After that, next path variable. Path. In path here they say edit. See now paths. See this is Oracle database path. In my system database Oracle database installed. So Oracle database paths. This also Oracle database paths. Yes, there are different paths. For every software we should add the path. Okay, so this is for Oracle database path here. So these are OS paths here. Next here, this is see this Scala. Yes, in my system, yes, my system installed Scala, so Scala path. I'm using Scala in my system. Yes, big data projects. I'm using Scala that installed. So paths set here. Next Python using in my system for Hadoop purpose. Yes, Python. Big data purpose using Python, so Python paths. Next Linux purpose I'm using Putty, so Linux paths. Next Catalina home. This is Tomcat. I'm using Tomcat server for the frameworks. So Tomcat install. So these are the software paths. So Oracle database paths. These are OS paths here. This is Scala paths. This is Python paths. Linux Putty, Linux purpose. Catalina home means yes, this is a Tomcat. Now Java. Now we should add the Java. Java for every software this path requires. This path for every software. Now Java software new yes percentage Java underscore home yes percentage yes percentage / bin. So just use path like Java home. Yes, percentage Java home, percentage Java underscore home / bin. So this is like this. This is yes. What does mean? I will explain. Just wait. Then click on OK. Okay, done. Yeah, Avinash. Okay, fine. Avinash. Okay. Yeah. So this is right. So here Java underscore home bin. So what does it mean here? See what is Java underscore home? This is a value. This value. Now this will be replacing this one. So finally path becomes like this. See percentage. To get the value of that variable, to get the value of it. So these two percentages will get the value of Java home and placing here. Finally path becomes like this. So in path this is Java path. It's a, now this is Java path where Java installed. It's a path where Java installed up to bin up to. Okay. Now let us go to command prompt. Check it. Java C. Yes. 1 second. Java C command prompt. Now open new command prompt. Now checking for Java C. Yes, now it's working. Yes, close that old one. Now open new one. Yes, now Java C. Java C. It's working. Now what's the current version of Java? Java hyphen version. Java hyphen version. Java hyphen version. Yes, it's working. 1.8. Java hyphen version is 1.8. So 1.8, 121 like yes, 261 is no issue. Okay. Yes, when that is date only. That build date 261 that some date that is. Okay. Yes. Fine. So this is this. So there are the steps in this. Okay. Same thing. Expand document here. See this. Yes. Right click on this PC. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Next environment variables. Environment variables. Yes. Next go to system variables. Yes. System variables. Yes. Go to system variables. Yes. System variables. Here's a new. Yes. Java underscore home. That value here. Java variable name and value. Okay. So click on OK. Now path setting. Sorry. Yes. Go to system variable. Select path variable. Go to system variable. Select path. Go to system variable. Here this is select path. Edit. Click on edit. Click on edit. Yes. It opens next new. Edit next new. Here Java home like this. Bin. So click on OK. Okay. That's it. Over. So this is about this. Now question is here. Here some question now. Question. What is purpose of path setting? What is purpose of path setting? What is purpose of path setting? The question. What is purpose of path setting? Okay. Yes, for this answer. See. Suppose here set is a command to show the variables Java underscore home its value. See this. Java underscore home equal to this. So the Java home value set path variable. So the path variable. Suppose if I submitted some command from XYZ saying that not recognized internal external means command not found, right? What happens when I submitted XYZ here? Y is looking for XYZ at different path. These are first paths. First path. See this first. 1 second. The paths. See path. Edit. See. So this is variable path. See this first variable paths. Semicolon. Next this also variable path. Semicolon. Yes, for every path. This is variable software path. First path semicolon. Next path semicolon. Next this path is for some OS path like this. Different software, different paths like this. Okay. Yes. See this is Scala paths. Up to semicolon Scala paths. Next here this is Python paths. This is Putty paths. This is some Tomcat path here. Yeah, this is now Java paths. Program files, Java, yes, these are Java paths, different paths. When you submitted XYZ, who is looking for XYZ at this path initially? Initially at this path, see this, take this path. Let us check it here. Yes, take here. Yes, at this path that XYZ is not available. At the first path, XYZ is not available. Yes, if not available at the first path location, then it goes to next path. Up to semicolon, next path here also not available. Then looking at next path. Suppose here also not available. Looking at next path, next path up to end. Suppose up to end nowhere found, command not found. Now what I'm doing here? Now I'm submitting Java C. When I submitted Java C, yes, now OS looking for Java C at this path. Here is not available. At this path not available. At this path not available. So top to bottom checking everywhere. Yes. Once reaching this path, at this path, Java path, right? It is Java path. Take this path. Go to the Java path, Java JDK path, right? Yes, JDK bin. Yes, Java bin. At bin location, Java C available. That's it. Yes, at this path, Java C available. So when you submitted Java C, it's working. So what's happened here? OS simply goes to at this path here, goes to this path here. From there, picking Java C command and loading, then executing Java C compiler. So go to this location from there. Yes, it will run the Java C compiler. It will run the Java C compiler. That's it. So to identify the location of Java compiler. So to identify the location of Java compiler here, that OS, when is submitted at the command prompt, OS identifying location of Java. So for this path setting required here, what is purpose of path setting here? Yes, OS operating system to identify location of Java software, location of Java software. That is here. OS to identify the location of Java software. What is purpose of path setting? What is purpose of path setting? OS to identify the location of Java software. That's it here. That's it. Same thing explain document here. Say this. Here this is Linux path setting. That Linux later will discuss. Later we'll see. Checking for Java installation and version. Checking for Java installation and version. Java-version. Java-version it shows like this. 1.8. Yes, 261, something like this. It shows like this. Java version shows like this. Okay. Yes. Next, how to check value of OS unit variables. Java set Java home, that shows all this. Set path shows all this. That's it. So what is purpose of Java path setting? Operating system to identify location of Java software. Operating system to identify location of Java software. Okay, that's it. So Java installation is over. Java installation is over. Yes, environment variable setup also completed. So this step completed. This step completed. Yes, developing Java program with Notepad, using Notepad. Let us see this one here. Eclipse tomorrow will go for this. Today may not be finishing. Tomorrow will go for Eclipse and steps to develop Java application Eclipse. This 4 and 5 tomorrow topic. 4 and 5 tomorrow we'll discuss. Not tomorrow, Monday. 4 and 5 Monday. Yes. Next. Yes, developing Java program with Notepad. Notepad. How to develop this here? Yes. For this, first we'll see Notepad. Next Eclipse. Yes, take some C drive or D drive. Suppose D drive. D drive, create your own folder. D drive, just create one folder. Create with your name, just create a folder. With your name, just create one folder. Suppose I am creating a folder by name Abhinash. Abhinash. Okay, just create a folder with your name. That Abhinash folder created. Abhinash folder created. Open that folder. Yes, here we can develop this. Abhinash folder. Now, how to write the program here? Let us see. Now, first of all, go to command prompt. Yes, from the command prompt. At the command prompt, we should go to Abhinash folder. At the command prompt, go to this folder. Command prompt. Okay. Yes, D colon, that will take to D drive. D colon means that will take to D drive. DAR means its content. That shows the contents of D drive. DER command shows the contents of D drive. D drive contents. These are D drive contents. In D drive, this is Abhinash folder, right? Abhinash. Okay, in D drive, there is Abhinash folder. That Abhinash directory folder, both are same. Directory folder, both are same. See, in character interface, calling as directory. In graphical, it's a folder. In graphical, it's a folder. In character interface, direct. Now, Abhinash directory. Now, go to Abhinash directory. CD Abhinash. CD Abhinash. Change to Abhinash folder. Directory. DR empty. 0 files, 0 bytes, 0 for no files. Okay, now we are at Abhinash. Now, Notepad. Open Notepad. Notepad test.java. Notepad test.java. Notepad test.java. Notepad test.java. Yes, do you want to create a new file? Yes, say yes. Say yes. Now if you are writing first program, public class, yes, test. Name of the class is test. File name, class name should be same. File name is test.java. What is the name of the file? Test.java. Name of the file is test.java. Test.java. So file is test here. File limited. Java is extension. Java is extension. Name is test. So class name, file name should be same. Class name, file name should be same. Yes, test starting ending. Public class test starting ending. Yes, now public. Yes, public. Static. Void. Main method. String. Yes, caps. Square bracket args. Starting main method. Ending main method. Public static void main. Yes, string. String is a class name starting with uppercase alphabet. Yes, wait, Kalyan. I'll explain very clearly. I'm writing program. After writing program one by one, I'll explain. Wait, cool, don't worry. I'll explain every topic very clearly. Okay, so public class test. This is way of writing program. Just I'm explaining steps. What is public? What is class? What is test? What is this public? What is static? What is void? What is main? What is string? What is square bracket args? Now all this we'll discuss. I'll explain very clearly, step by step, every point I'll explain. Now system dot, yes, out dot, system dot, out dot, println, yes, println, yes, here say hello world, right? Save it, control yes, save it. Tab, where is tab? Why you are using tab for public? Just I'm using space, just space. It's a, that is keyword different, this keyword different. Space I'm missing. Okay. Public, after public space, next class space, test space. Just I'm using only one space, not tab. Yes, public class, public static with spaces, just between word spaces required. String, square brackets, args, hello worlds, save. System dot out dot today by passing hello world. Save, control save it and exit. Yeah, this one alignment, this one. Yes, public static equipment. This is alignment purpose. You can write here also, but suppose if you're missing tab, then easy to understand, right? Understanding purpose. Understanding purpose, I'm using tab here. Understand, this programming way of coding style is like that. Just it's a coding style. Coding style, just understand, to understand programming, some alignment, that is alignment. Okay. Yes, save and exit. Okay, so first step is notepad. So write like this. So this is first step, step one. So this is step one. Okay, so this is step one using notepad. Step one. Okay, so next step is compilation. Java C. Yes, one second. dir. See this test.java 125 bytes 1128 em 1128 em just now created. Next the compilation Java C test.java, it's a compilation Java C Java compiler compiled. Yes, next step compilation. So next step is compilation. So compilation process. So this is step for the compilation. So first step, open using notepad and write the program here. Next, compile it. Compile it. After compilation, the result file. Yes, result file is tested.class. Tested.class generates here. Tested.class file generates. Result is tested.class. Okay, Java CDER. No, it's a tested.class. It's a tested.class generated. After that, now run it here. Okay. So next step is run it here. Next step is run it. Compile here. So dot class 11:29 AM. Dot class file generated. Now Java test. Java test. Yes. Hello world. Hello world executed, right? So these are the steps in this. Okay. Same steps explain document. Eclipse setup. Once just you skip this setup. This one. Yes. This topic Monday topic will discuss. Eclipse and all this. Yes. Today's topic next. This is today topic. How to write sample program in Java? Yes, using Notepad. Using Notepad. Using Notepad. Yes, hello world program. Yes, using Notepad. Using Notepad. Okay. D drive test folder. Notepad. Test.java. Yes, here write program like this. Okay. Yes, after writing this. Yes, save this file as test.java. Okay, yes, of course, already open with test.java. Open with test.java. Yes. See, name of the program file should be same as the class name. Name of the program file should be same as the class name. Now comparison. Java C test.java. Compile it. Result is test.class. Execute Java test. Java test. One submitted. Running to execute. This to execute. This is for compilation. This is for execution. That's it here. So I'm repeating all these steps here. First step is Notepad test.java. Notepad test.java. Opened. Yes, here writing all the program. Okay. After writing, save and close. So file menu save and exit. Next compilation. Java C test.java. Compiled. Okay. Now run it. Java test is executed. That's it here. So first initial Notepad test.java file, test.java open here. Open Notepad. Here write the program. After writing program. Yes, next. Check it. dir. Check it. dir. The test.java file. Now compile it. Java C test.java compile. Yes, after comparison of check it here. dir for checking. Test.class 11:32 AM. Just not test.class file created here. Not Java test. Run it here. Java test. Yes. Hello world. So these are the steps. I hope we understand, guys, right? Is it clear, guys? Everyone? So these are the steps. Same steps are there in document here. Just you follow document here. Follow document as well. Recording. Today's recording. Just do this. Yes, do this one here. Okay. So tomorrow you can utilize this time here. Tomorrow time you can utilize for this year. So Eclipse Monday will discuss. Eclipse will discuss Monday. Yes. So you always try to finish. If any issue is facing, just you can call me. Any issue facing installation, just you can call me. I'll tell you. Okay. Yeah. Just you can ping me. I'll definitely. Right. Yeah. Yeah. That's all for today. Yes, that's all. Yes, the drive files you can download, Avinash. You can download the software. You can download document. You can download facility available. You can download the documentation. No problem. Class document you can download. Software you can download. Okay. Yeah. So that's all for today. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.